Hey guys, we're out here with Magnum Ti today. We're doing a little install with our brand new Magnum Ti foot pegs, and we're gonna throw him on his bike and take him for a ride.
Titanium, huh?
That's right.
Sweet. Chris here with Magnum Ti. We've been running the Motion Factory foot pegs for the past year, and they got some brand new titanium pegs, so we're going to install those and get those going. I'm really happy with what I've been using so far and the product, and really looking forward to trying these new titanium Enduro foot pegs out. So we're getting installing them and get going.
I don't know what to do with my hands. Okay. So
take a strong hand.
We've been pretty fortunate out here in Central Oregon. We've had a lot of great people that test and help us out through the design process. And Chris from Magnum Ti, check out his YouTube channel, has been one of the guys from the beginning since last year to test out our Enduro foot peg. So that's the one that doesn't rotate, has adjustable camber, and is more of that traditional setup. And we just came out with a new foot peg that we're going to release this spring. It is the Magnum Ti. It is a titanium foot peg, and we're about to put it on his bike, and he's gonna have his first day on it and see what he thinks.
I am the captain. This is my first aftermarket factory foot peg, and I'll tell you right now, no issues. They run great. They're flat. They feel awesome. They're 10 down, 5 back millimeters. After adjusting the rear brake and after adjusting the shifter, it's just normal now. Really excited to try the new titanium pegs. What are they called?
Magnum Ti's.
Really excited to try the new Magnum Ti's. See what you did there. You know,
Yeah,
those are awesome. That's a pretty cool name. You know, check it out. Cool design, and super happy with the product, and really looking forward to trying out new product. Been very fortunate. Dustin here with Motion Factory is they're local and support a local company, and they've been great. So let's get to the install. You got any other questions?
Let's do it. We're gonna have Chris do it. The cool thing about our product is if you're swapping foot pegs, all you need to do is swap the platforms. It's 2 bolts on each side. Looks like Chris has got the camber wedge in there, which has about 4 degrees of adjustment, so it tilts the foot peg up a little bit for a little more aggressive rider. So we'll get those swapped out. Let's do it.
Sweet. Whoa. These are badass. Look at that, man. That's cool. These are really neat. Look at the comparison. Bolts.
New bolts.
Sweet. So the cool thing about these is they use the same mounting.
Yeah.
So use the same mount, and the neat is it's the same platform, so you can swap out whatever you want. Whether it's the rotating pegs.
Yep.
Rotating pegs with the spindle. This design right here, which is what I've been using. So that's their Enduro design, and this is their new Magnum Ti. These are only available for 2 strokes, correct?
Oh,
Not 4
no,
strokes?
no. We support all walks of life.
You know what? The pegs are looking good. I'll say that.
That's all you can hope for, right? Vanity shots.
Frozen, is it?
pretty good.
Fuck yeah. The berms are solid where like you can like hit them kind of hard.
So much better. It just has that low end. It doesn't break traction. So a couple things though, like this thing, if you fucking put it in like at least a couple inches so you can get like 2 fingers on it. Right now, like you have it so far out here.
How do I put it in? Is it?
You just loosen these two. It's an 8.
Okay.
So put that in. Put this up at 1 more, dude. Like, do you have trouble getting your boot under there?
I mean, yeah, sometimes, but I just feel like because I'm not used to the boots.
No,
yet.
put this up 1 more click. Like,
Okay.
take it out and put it up 1 more click. And just that alone, like, you'll be shifting better. You won't hit false neutral as much. So good. And your front brake is like way fucking low.
I have to try to find them. Yeah.
How's that feel?
That's so much better.
How's yours? These boys cockpits.
You got that one.
I like that. They do like die super easy.
Yeah, they do.
Like I was just 3rd gear.
I can feel this has way more
Yeah.
bark.
I almost got to the top and then I fell over this way.
Oh, did you?
That was fun though. I almost fucking lost it right here.
You did, right off the
I
bat.
stayed second the whole time. Did you hear it? Wow, the whole way. I was like this.
I was like, where's that back brake?
Cheers, buddy. Did you see our? You see the tracks coming up?
After you guys.
Oh, come on.
Go for it. Is this like a must go?
Yeah.
Very cool.
It's a pretty good view. I don't hate it.
No, definitely don't. At least that downhill wasn't icy.
Yeah.
That would have been a little sketchy if it was.
That was borderline loamy.
It was.
Fresh. Buckhorn, you're just like, ah.
What's the goal here?
Oh God, you're good.
It looks a little uncharted.
Yeah.
Watch your splatter, man. You get my zipper? What is it? So tired. So tell me about how was your first day on the Magnum Ti's?
Felt great. Felt great as in I didn't notice anything. It was perfect grip. I'm used to the old Motion factory pegs and had no issues with these. Did some hill climbs, was able to get on top of it, apply some weight to the pegs, no slip, no nothing. Not that the other peg had any slip, but this ran good. It was.
And they look cool.
It felt good, looked cool, sounded cool, and gave me an extra little gear, little throttle out. But all seriousness, it was the pegs do great.
Yeah.
You know, I think for that option where you have the extra base plate that goes on there, and then the adjustability, and if I want to run certain type of pegs, I can put them on there. If I wanted to go a little bit higher instead of lower, the option's there. It did hit my peg a couple times on some rocks, hitting through some whoops, but I just think that's me.
It's
Probably
pretty.
hitting some rocks.
It's not very hard and dirty out there. It's more of a fast flowy trail.
It was fast, flowy, and I was pounding some whoops, and I think just compressing into the actual face of the whoop and then catching it on some sort of rock. I mean, I would have hit it anyways.
Yeah.
And not once did I lose grip. It was great. It was actually a really fun peg, and they look really cool, and ultimately they're functional.
There you go, kids. You hear from Camp to Ride. He's one of our #1 testers, and he puts more days on the bike than anyone I know. So he'll be hammering on these for the rest of the season.
Yep.